Wildlife and climate are intricately linked. From the icy poles to lush rainforests, every creature depends on a stable environment. Polar bears roam the Arctic, relying on sea ice to hunt, while elephants in Africa need vast savannas to thrive. But as our planet warms, these habitats are shifting. Wetlands dry up, forests face wildfires, and species struggle to adapt. The delicate balance of nature is at risk, and every change sends ripples through ecosystems. Protecting wildlife means protecting our climate. It's a fight for survival that we all share. Climate is the heartbeat of our ecosystems, dictating temperature, rainfall, and seasonal rhythms. These elements shape the very fabric of life. Imagine the rain nurturing lush forests, or the snow-capped mountains standing tall, influencing local weather patterns. Each year, wildebeests embark on their epic migration across the Serengeti, driven by the search for food and water, a dance choreographed by nature's cycles. This intricate balance ensures that animals know when to breed and where to find sustenance, highlighting the profound connection between climate and survival. As global temperatures rise, the struggle for survival intensifies. Polar bears, once kings of the Arctic, now find themselves stranded on shrinking ice floes, searching for food in a landscape that's disappearing beneath them. Meanwhile, in the blistering deserts, foxes dig deeper for water, adapting to the relentless heat that threatens their very existence. Even in Antarctica, penguins are feeling the heat, as warming waters disrupt their breeding grounds. Every creature is fighting to adapt, but the clock is ticking, and the stakes have never been higher. Shifts in rainfall are reshaping our ecosystems in dramatic ways. Prolonged droughts leave riverbeds cracked and dry, forcing elephants to wander further for water, often to shrinking waterholes. Meanwhile, intense storms unleash torrents that flood forests, uprooting trees and drowning habitats. These extremes not only threaten wildlife but also disrupt the delicate balance of our environment. As we witness these changes, it's clear the health of our rivers, forests, and savannas hangs in the balance, reminding us of the urgent need to protect our planet. Oceans are our planet's heat sink, absorbing much of the excess warmth from climate change. But this comes at a cost. Coral reefs, once vibrant and teeming with life, are now bleached and struggling to survive. Fish, sensing the rising temperatures, are migrating to cooler waters, leaving behind their homes. Even majestic marine mammals like whales are affected, as their food sources dwindle in warmer seas. The delicate balance of our ocean ecosystems is shifting, and if we don't act, we risk losing these incredible underwater worlds forever. Spring is arriving earlier than ever, and it's causing a ripple effect in nature. Birds are showing up in our forests before the trees even have their leaves. Imagine them, chirping away, but with no food in sight. Meanwhile, flowers are blooming out of sync, leaving bees buzzing around, desperately searching for nectar. And then there are the insects, emerging before their predators are ready to feast. This mismatch in food cycles disrupts the delicate balance of our ecosystems. It's a reminder that nature's timing is crucial, and when it's thrown off, we all feel the impact. Every day, our planet faces a silent crisis. Climate change, deforestation, and urban expansion are shrinking vital habitats. Picture a lone tiger, once king of the jungle, now wandering through fragmented forests, searching for a home. Species that can't adapt or migrate are on the brink of extinction. As we clear rainforests for development, we're not just losing trees, we're erasing entire ecosystems. The choices we make today will determine the future of countless species. It's time to act before the roar of the tiger fades into silence. As climate change intensifies, the survival of iconic species hangs in the balance. Tigers, once rulers of the jungle, now face shrinking habitats and dwindling prey. In the lush canopies of rainforests, orangutans struggle to find food as deforestation accelerates. Meanwhile, baby sea turtles, vulnerable and fragile, race against the tide, only to find their nesting beaches threatened by rising sea levels. Each of these animals is a vital thread in the tapestry of our ecosystem, and their uncertain futures remind us of the urgent need for action. We must protect them, not just for their sake, but for the health of our planet. As resources dwindle, wildlife is forced to adapt, encroaching on human spaces in search of food and water. Imagine elephants trampling through fields, their massive frames wreaking havoc on crops, while monkeys swing through city streets, scavenging for scraps. Farmers, desperate to protect their livelihoods, set up barriers and scare tactics, but the conflict escalates. This struggle isn't just about survival, it's a clash of worlds. As we encroach on their habitats, we must find a way to coexist, balancing our needs with the natural instincts of these incredible creatures. Every day, we face challenges that threaten our planet, but hope is alive and thriving. Wildlife conservation is crucial. Dedicated rangers protect endangered species, ensuring they have a future. Renewable energy, like solar farms, is transforming our landscapes, reducing our carbon footprint and powering a sustainable future. Reforestation projects bring life back to barren lands, while children planting trees remind us that the next generation is ready to take action. Together, these efforts create protected reserves, restoring balance between climate and wildlife. It's a collective journey towards a healthier planet, and every small step counts.